Okay, so we need to remove the plug point, the water inlet and the water outlet before we do anything here. Okay, then we'll need to move this aside first so that it's not close to the wall and easier to work with. Okay, so from the looks of it, I think there's just a few screws, one here, probably some at the bottom here, then two more at the back here, and we should be able to lift this top and see what's wrong with it. Alright, there's one here and one here. Okay, to do this, we just need a normal screwdriver. Two screws here. First, I think we need to take out this panel first and disconnect the cables. Okay, that's done. Okay, now two screws over here. Okay, two more screws at the back. Okay, the reason why I'm moving it to here is so that I can actually link this here. And from what I can see, most of the noise is actually coming from here. Alright, it looks like this socket came up from where it's supposed to be. And from the looks of it, it seems that it's supposed to be connected to this bar here. Alright, but it seems to have dislodged. That could be the cause of all the sound. Okay, so it seems like this is a very easy fix. Yep, looks like that's fixed. So assembly is the reverse of what we did earlier, alright? So it seems like it's running smoother. Still a little bit of knocking, but at least it's functioning right now. Unlike earlier where you can actually hear that it's banging quite loud and it keeps giving an error. Alright. So yeah, whenever there's something wrong with your washing machine, just open it up, see what's wrong. It could be as simple as just a loose connector or loose mount. Alright. So if you like this kind of videos, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you.